Hello. Today we will learn about the phrasal verb alight on somebody. Alight on somebody means to suddenly notice, choose, or land on someone. It can be used when something physically lands on a person, like a bird, or it can mean choosing someone unexpectedly. For example, the bird alighted on her shoulder. Or the manager alighted on John for the job. Remember, alight on somebody is inseparable. You always say alight on before the person. Not alight then, the person, then on. This phrase is often formal or literary. You can use it in stories, news, or formal talks. It is different from pick somebody, which is more casual. Try using it in sentences like her eyes alighted on a stranger. Or the idea alighted on him suddenly. Practice helps you remember it. Try to spot this phrase when reading English books or articles. Now, you know how to use alight on somebody. Keep practicing and use it in your speaking and writing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.